Hey everybody, Dr. Hafer here, Well Connected Chiropractic. I'm with Cammie. She just completed her 8-week re-exam. We're so excited because her posture has improved so much. She started with this kind of awkward right lean, and now she's standing tall, feeling better. Excruciating shoulder scapula pain and one upper cervical adjustment, and the pain's basically gone. Can you share your experience for everybody who's watching? I want them to know what they can expect here at Well Connected.
First, let me start by saying everybody just kind of put you at ease. I came in knowing that I needed to do some work. It didn't have great posture. I've always had a lean that honestly I didn't even realize was there. I would notice it in pictures and intentionally do things, but I didn't realize it was something that could be fixed. So that was a benefit of coming in. But I came in with severe pain to the point of where I couldn't move, I couldn't turn at night, I'd breathe and it would hurt so bad. And that's what finally got me to the point where I came in. But in the process, so many things have been taken care of and have been fixed, and just the whole team has been so helpful in dealing. When I first came in, the amount of pain I was in, so easy to work with, so much put you at comfort and just at peace with what's happening, and definitely experienced healing hands, but also just a peace in your heart as you went through the process as well. So I'm so thankful I came in. I'm so thankful that not only the big issue, the issue that I was facing in the moment was fixed, but also just some little things that I didn't realize could be fixed were being fixed in the process. So it's been such a blessing.
Oh, that was awesome. Thank you so much. So hey, if you know anybody who's got pain, whether it's right now, they just started dealing with it, or it's something that's been going on for a long time, have them give me a call. I would absolutely love to have a conversation and make sure that you understand that the Blair Upper Cervical Chiropractic method can address all of that. And I would love to be their chiropractor, and I know Cammie would agree.
It's so worth it.